Hello students, this is Mrs. Beachy and we are back today in the computer lab to review how we have been using Google Presentation. First of all, I want you to notice I sent you an email. In your email, you should have a new message that says Grade 3 Review. Please click on that, and while you are in that email, you're going to click Open in Slides in the blue box. Once you have done this, it will open up our skills review in Google Presentation. Now you will go to Grade 3 Review, just so you know you have the right presentation, and underneath that is the word File. Please click on File, and we are going to make a copy. Click Make a Copy. In here, we are going to click right in front of the capital G and highlight by holding down the mouse and dragging across the words Copy Of. Here I would like you to type your first name with a space. Once you have done that, you may click OK. Now notice at the top you have another tab that has your name. Next to it is the Grade 3 Review that I would like you to X out, so no one is collaborating or working together in that document. Here is our Skills 3 Review. We have our title page and we have all of our slides. Now we're going to click on the second slide, and the directions ask you to insert one or two images that represent the Arctic tundra. Remember, we have been working on this. I am going to pause the video to give you a few minutes to add one or two images that remind you of the Arctic tundra. Excellent. Now for those of you that need a reminder, remember you can find images in two ways. You can find it by clicking on this picture that says Image or going to Insert Image. Once you go to Insert Image, you go to the search bar and then you may type in an animal like a seal that you would find in the Arctic tundra and click Search. There's wonderful pictures in here of seals that you might find in the tundra. Remember, to select one, you will click on it and then click on the Select button. Now it will add your image to your page. However, it usually is too big, so I hope you are remembering to drag from the corner to make it smaller and then to move it around on your page when you have the four arrows, and then click off of it. Now you should be ready to go to slide 3. Click on slide 3, and the directions here are asking you to underline the title. Here's the title, and the words Arctic tundra in the passage. I'll give you a few minutes to do that. Friends, please remember, when you want something highlighted, you click before or after the word, and you hold down the clicker and drag the mouse until the word is highlighted. And then you find the U with the underline and click on that, so you get the underlined word. The Arctic tundra is right here in the beginning of the paragraph. Highlight those words, go to the U and underline Arctic tundra. Now you are successful with that, so we will move on to slide 4. Click on slide 4, please. And here's a question. What do you like best about using Google Presentation? You may click inside this box where it says click to add text, and you have your jumping cursor. I would like you to add a complete thought with a beginning capital letter and an end mark that describes what you like best about using Google Presentation. It can be as simple as that. I like inserting an image in my document. If you have more than one idea, please share your ideas now. I also added changing the font is a lot of fun. Those are some things that you may have learned while using Google Presentation. Now we are moving on to the last slide, slide number 5. Please click on slide number 5. And we have a final question. How else would you like to use Google Presentation? So sometimes kids would like to use it to type their spelling words. Or when you do a research project, you would like to do your project using Google Presentation. You probably can think of many other ways how you can use Google Presentation. Please type your idea now. If you have something different than my idea, please make sure you add it. For those friends that are finished, you may go back up to your Insert an Image page and add more images. Or you could go to number 1 and you can even add an image on that page if you would like. Please make sure you check all of your slides to be certain that you did all of this correctly. You will be given a grade, and this is your exit slip to go out of the computer lab at the end of the day. Hope you had a great time, and we'll be doing many more projects together.